It's hard to rebuild that broken trust.
I'm going broken heart.
Broken heart?
I'm going broken heart.
And you thought my old lovey-dovey emotional ass was going to go broken heart too, didn't you?
You on her capping. I don't know why you capping.
I don't know.
What you capping?
Trust is real, but trust is real though.
A heart ain't real?
A heart is real too.
A heart is realer than trust. Like, it's in your body.
It's in your body. It keeps your heart. It keeps your body pumping.
Yeah.
Going.
Like, what is you saying, cuz?
Okay, I don't know. It's hard because trust is important, and my heart is